Download Thunderbolt Share on both computers. Use the included Thunderbolt 4 cable to connect PC-A to the Cable Matters Thunderbolt 4 docking station. Use an additional Thunderbolt 4 or 5 cable to connect PC-A to PC-B. PC-A must have 2 Thunderbolt ports. The Thunderbolt Share application will automatically form a connection between the two PCs. Choose the Thunderbolt Share tool you want to use. We can control the other computer with fast computer-to-computer desktop access, sharing a keyboard, monitors, and mouse. If the PC you're controlling is connecting to a monitor or multiple monitors, then we can choose which display to control by clicking Remote Monitor and choosing the monitor we want to see. We can sync folders between computers to make them the same. We can use a file explorer to easily drag and drop files quickly between two computers. We can transfer all or some files from an old computer to a new computer.